Eighth play of the drive here, 3rd down and 10. Dropping is Justin Herbert, 4-man rush. Scrambles away, he gets hit, he's gonna get sacked! Josh Hines-Allen got him, 3rd sack of the day for Jacksonville. Josh has set the franchise career record for sacks. Congratulations to Josh Hines-Allen. And for the first time in 5 weeks, we welcome you to Everbank Stadium. Boy, it's good to be back home. Jeff, it's been a while. It's been 35 days, and you come back to face another really good AFC opponent.
Yeah, really good is right. And you want this Jaguars football team to move on from the Texans game, but maybe use that disappointment as fuel for motivation, because the Chargers come in today with a really good, balanced football team that can match that physicality. And if you win today, that could have huge implications down the road in the AFC.
Yeah, they got to run the football. They got to get back to their identity. Liam Cohen has talked about this team being a rough and rugged physical football team, and that's reflected in the ability to run it. So look for the Jaguars to get back to basics, run the football early and often, have some success, and set up some big plays in the pass game as a result.
I got hold of D-line, bro. It's real f***ing simple. We want to win this game. We got to dominate up front. Yep. Both sides of the ball. They should drop, man. No f***ing drop. You telling them they better than you, man? They better than us, man. Let's go out here. Dominate these boys. Hey, Tristan on 3. 1, 2, 3.
The big dog's got to hunt today, and we talked about that 3rd down defense, and the Chargers are without Rashawn Slater and Joe Alt, their starting tackles. Josh and Trayvon have got to expose that weakness today, corral Justin Herbert, because he's got tremendous arm talent and mobility.
Together, the whole day, us, together, doing this our way, together, one play at a time. Hey guys, and what I say, be you. Be you! Don't let anything take that away. Your creativity, your playmaking. And let's go get after these mother from the jump. Let's go, guys, let's go. Get him, Josh, let's go.
Let's do it. Jazz on me, Jazz on 3, 1, 2, 3. Jazz!
The Jags have won the toss now, and they have deferred, so they'll put their defense on the field first.
Fly around, man. That's some fun. And let's communicate out there, man. Let's talk out there, man. Let's be all on the same page. Let's dominate these motherfuckers, man.
Ken Little puts a foot to it. It's going to be fielded by Darius Davis, a yard deep, and he's going to run it out of there to the 10, 15, 20-yard line. He gets hit by Yasser Abdullah. Yasser got him on the ground around the 22, 23-yard line, and that is where the Chargers will start. So they start from their own 23-yard line, going left to right to start the ball game. Justin Herbert under center, play fake dropping. And that's going to be, I believe, grounding. Trayvon Walker got there to start the ball game. Great work by Trayvon off the edge.
Let's go! Let's go, man!
3rd down and 8. They send forward. They throw a wide receiver screen to the right side. That's McConkey. He's going to get tackled shy of 1st down yardage.
Come on, man! Come on, bro! Come on, bro!
It'll be a 4th down, and the Chargers are going to go 3 and out. Jarian Jones made the tackle, and on comes the punt team for Jim Harbaugh.
That's what the y'all do! Hey, good shit! Welcome back. That's good shit! Come on. That's good shit!
That's a great job. Way to start fast.
Stay having the edge! Stay having an edge!
3rd down and 3 from the 23 of Jacksonville. Drops the throw against that 4-man rush. Fires. That ball's knocked away. That is good work by Monteric Brown. They tried to throw a little slant to Aronde Gadsden. It's an incomplete pass. So on comes the field goal team. That means Cameron Dicker, the 4th-year kicker out of Texas. Dicker the kicker, they call him. He's 23 out of 25 on the year. Scott puts it down. Dicker kicks it up. The field goal is good, and the Chargers strike first. They lead 3-0.
That's it. That's an easy. That's it. That's a
First down to the 46 of the Chargers. Final minute of the first quarter. Play fake. Trevor drops. It's a blitz. Looking, fires deep downfield, and that ball is going to be incomplete. He wanted a long corner route, and here comes the flag. A 31-yard penalty to the 15-yard line of the Chargers. Jags in the red zone. They show Tootin, the running back. They run it with Tootin to the left side, cuts it inside to the 10, tries to stand his feet, leans forward. That's a good run. He's got it near the 5-yard line, perhaps inside the 5. Terrific run by Bayshall Tootin. First and goal, Jags. They toss it to Tootin, cuts back to the middle of the field, lowers his shoulder, into the end zone, touchdown!
Great play design. They got the extra offensive lineman lined up to the left as an extra tight end. They actually show a toss to that way, but it was never designed to go there from the beginning. As soon as the toss is caught, there's a cutback by Tootin, and it's wide open one-on-one against Derwin James, and he plows it in.
I'm talking about, bro. In that pass pickup. You know I scored that first. Yeah, 3-3. You know why we won that play, right? All that touchdown, right? You two. Right? We talked about right? We talked about you gotta win your one-on-ones. Walk around with that, man. That's what we got to have. You gotta continue throughout the game, man. Let's go. You can run the ball down these routes if you want to. But the question is, do you want to? It's gotta be 60 minutes.
Well, that's why you gotta watch the game. Yeah. Don't just watch it to see what
You got him guessing right now.
because I got to beat him inside.
Yeah.
Beat him with power, and I got him with edge.
Yeah.
So now it's
anyone's game.
you know what I'm saying. But look, though, it's not just me though.
I know.
It's a carry over to you. So if I go in there and I just go speed of power, and it's time to go rush, what the you gonna do?
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
He didn't make it all look the same, bro. Lull his ass to sleep.
They're going to sack him again. They got him in the backfield. Strigo was back there that time along with Trayvon Walker. Great work from the Jags pass rush. Boy, Jeff, they're off to a good start. Hit immediately. I mean, Devin Lloyd really closed on Vidal. He got him around the 12-yard line. I mean, this Jaguar defense is active today. That's a 5-yard loss.
When we out there and it's time to go, I want to hear you. Huh? We need to hear you. Yeah. Go get the mother, Josh. Go get the. We need to hear you. You hear me? Yeah. Every time we go out there, we need it. Let's go.
8th play of the drive here, 3rd down and 10. Jags have 6 defensive backs in the game. They got that extra safety in Rayon Lane in the game. Dropping is Justin Herbert, 4-man rush. Scrambles away, he gets hit, he's gonna get sacked! Josh Hines Allen got him, 3rd sack of the day for Jacksonville. Now after that sack, Josh has set the franchise career record for sacks. Congratulations to Josh Hines Allen.
Get the monkey off your back? Yes, sir. Congrats, brother. Congratulations.
Appreciate you.
Congrats, dog. Man, how you do that? What number is that?
I don't know.
How you do that?
It's that.
What number is that, man? Yeah.
I ain't even counting.
Keep going. Second quarter.
Yeah, great job by the defense, but what a remarkable accomplishment by Josh Hines Allen. 56 career sacks, becoming a franchise leader, and anyone who's been around him knows not only a great player, but a good dude. You love to see that kind of success for those people.
That was pure off the muscle, dog.
Man,
That's
I told
what
you.
I'm like,
I tell you, gotta be in the weight room, bro.
You turned around and
By any, what do you say? By any means, bro. Hey.
One play at a time.
Barry, one play at a time. One play. All we worry about is one play.
Line drive kickoff with Glenn Allen still dragging the pile with him. That is a terrific return So great starting field position for the Jaguars from their own 40-yard line. They toss it to Tootin. He cuts it back to the middle of the field. There's running room into the open field. Oh, he stumbled down on the 45-yard line. That is a terrific run. Trevor drop, pump fake. Looks again, fires middle of the field. That's caught. Johnny Munt, the tight end, 20. 15-yard line, and he's going to tackle right at the 15, maybe the 16-yard line. But that's a first down, 16 yards. Derwin James made the tackle. He pump faked 2 different ways, and that allowed Munt to release in the middle of the field, Jeff, and that's a first down for Jacksonville. He tries the middle of the field, keeps his feet, leans toward the goal line, touchdown! A 2-yard touchdown run out of the Wildcat, and Jacksonville has extended the lead.
Yes! Way to run. Let's go. Great job. Way to work. Hey, that's all y'all. Hey, good job. Hey, that's all y'all. Hey, good try all day long, baby. Keep going all day long. Let's go. I can get to that hole. Come on, man.
You got to trust your running back in that situation with a Wildcat, and Etienne does a great job. Etienne fakes like he's going to follow Trevor as a lead blocker, and then cuts it in the middle, and great finish by the O-line.
He's going to hit and sack. No, a flag came out on the near sideline. B.J. Green got him, but let's see what the penalty is.
Personal foul, roughing the passer, defense, number 95. Those penalties offset, new play fourth down.
I think the target was fine. It's just all about the finish that the officials are seeing, because B.J. kind of has his head down. But B.J. Green's weight and his body is actually off to the side of Justin Herbert.
Good half for Jacksonville. Jags 14, Chargers 6. Really good half for the Jags. They outgained them 153 to 113, first downs to 6. The Jags, after the first field goal by the Chargers, really kind of dominated the game. 2 touchdowns. The Chargers kicked a field goal late. I thought the Jags got robbed of a possession late in the half. I really believe that when they called a penalty on B.J. Green. But nonetheless, that's where we stand, 14-6. And the Jags will have the ball to start the second half.
Oh, Frank and Jeff, it was a lot of fun to be in that locker room. A lot of energy. You can tell there's a concerted effort by this team to focus on finishing the game. Now, you guys may be grill masters, but the common refrain in the locker room, grind the meat. They talk about take them and grind the meat in the second half to finish it. Very animated. I'm not a butcher, but maybe you guys can make the interpretation.
He's got some running room. Made a man miss, 45-yard line. Got it inside the 45. He was pulled to the ground, but that's good running by Mayfield. It's a blitz. Dropping against the blitz. Fires middle of the field. The ball's caught. That's going to be a first down. Jacoby Myers, a crossing route, a little skinny post. He's got a first down. It's going to be a quarterback power right up the middle. Touchdown. Trevor Lawrence just lowered his shoulder and pulled into the end zone. He's almost untouched. Jacksonville has extended the lead.
It looked like. Don't even touch it. Great job making some plays there, guys.
Brooks fires middle of the field. That's also caught by Jacoby Myers. Boy, this guy's good in the middle of the field.
He gonna catch that ball.
Looking again is Trevor. Fires middle of the field. That ball's going to be caught. That's a first down. That's the tight end, Quentin Morris, made the 16th play of the drive. Fake the toss. They throw it to the back of the end zone. Caught for the touchdown. A play fake. Tim Patrick in the back of the end zone, a 1-yard touchdown pass. They've extended the lead. How good is that?
That's new? What is that? Huh?
Yeah, and the Jaguars dominating time of possession. But look, let's give the defense a little bit of credit too. You know, the Chargers finished the first half with 100 yards of offense. That was their lowest output yet this season. Right now they have 102. Both sides of the ball getting it done in a critical game.
I want to make a play.
You gonna get one.
Intercepted. Antonio Johnson picks it off. He's running it back 40. 35-yard line, 30-yard line, inside the 20-yard line. How about that? Antonio Johnson picked it off. He ran it back inside the 15-yard line. How good is that by this Jaguars defense?
What you told me? What you told me? Beat that. Beat that. Beat that. AJ said, I'm gonna catch the pink drive. When they got on one, you spoke that.
They run it with ETN to the left side, to the 10, inside the 5-yard line, stretching for the pylon. Travis Etienne, touchdown! This one's been all Jaguars all day long at Everbank Stadium.
You want to talk about a personal escort for Travis Etienne on that touchdown run? And you got Robert Hainsey leading the way, and Etienne gets in the end zone, but Hainsey gets an absolute pancake.
Holy fuck! I watched you the whole time. Great call.
You got some really good patient runs in there.
Yeah, we did this together. That's a great team win.
What a bounce-back performance by these Jags today.
Yeah, great bounce-back performance. And every team that's a playoff team or a championship team, there's a turning point moment in the season. This could be that moment for the Jacksonville Jaguars. Coming off of last week's loss, everyone really didn't give them a chance coming back. For Liam Cohen to put this game plan together to get his team off the mat, really a testament to the team and to the coaching staff.
I'm gonna make sure y'all got that. Look, game over.
Hey, that's a fine, though. That's a fine. Hey, that's a fine. How's that? Guys, talk about a team effort. Yes, sir. Team effort. All three phases dominated. All three phases. Guys, look at this. 30 first downs to 8. 192 yards rushing to 42. Guys, and we had an unbelievable moment obviously happen for our franchise today. Guys, unbelievable moment, but guys, they were under duress the entire day. The entire day. Under duress. Guys, that's us. That's us. We play our best, piss the f*** off. That's who we are. That is us. And guys, that was really fun, man. That was really fun. Hey, that's us. And let's not forget this feeling, because that is us. I know for a fact, the guys that stepped up today, so many f***ing guys stepped up and impacted that game. And guess what? Every single one of you should be proud of what you see in the mirror today.
Hey, what a great win, man. What a great feeling, man. Let's connect and let's enjoy this, bro. Let's enjoy this win. Let's continue to go. Jackson, me, Jackson, 3, 1, 2, 3. Jackson!